Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Venue X1 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. We can uninstall applications on this watch in two ways. The first way is to do it directly on the watch, and the other way is to do it through the Garmin Connect IQ, or rather not Garmin Connect, my bad. It's Garmin IQ Store or Connect IQ Store application on the phone that is paired with your watch. This app is quite useful because it allows you to manage your apps and watch faces in a simple way, and I recommend this option, but you can do it directly on the watch as well, and I'm gonna show you both. So, to do it directly on the watch, wake up the screen, or rather, don't wake up the screen, my bad. Press the upper button to open the menu. Okay, now scroll through the menu, look for the Connect IQ Store, tap on it, and here scroll through the list and look for the option called Installed. Tap on it, and here we have the list of applications installed on our watch. And if you want to uninstall the application, tap on the application you want to remove. And once you tap on it, you should see the uninstall button. You can select it, tap on the check mark, and the app will be uninstalled. It will disappear from this list. And if you go back to the menu, it will also disappear from the menu, which means that the application was uninstalled from your watch. And to do it through the Connect IQ Store application, you need to download and install it, of course, and open it on the phone. Of course, the watch needs to be paired with a phone for it to work, so remember that. And on the phone, you can tap on Device. You should see your Venue X1 right here. You can tap on My Device Apps. Find the app you want to uninstall, tap on it, and then tap on the More Options icon, tap on Uninstall, and tap on Uninstall. And the app should be removed. It will disappear from this list, and if you open the menu on your watch, it will also disappear from this menu. Okay. And once you're done, you can close the app, and that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.